Total Quality Management by Professor Deepika Pankaj Mahale. Outcomes of Total Quality Management. Define Total Quality Management. Manage quality improvement teams. Meeting customer requirements. Focus on improvement plans. Use of 7 tools of Total Quality Management. Definition of Total Quality Management. Total Quality Management is defined as a customer-oriented process and aim for continuous improvement of business operations. Total Quality Management describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. In a total quality management effort, all members of an organization participate in improving process, product, service, and the culture in which they work. Principles of total quality management. Commitment from the management. Employee empowerment. Continuous improvement. Customer focus. Commitment from the management. Plan, do, check, act. Employee empowerment. First, training. Second, excellence team. Third, measurement and recognition. Fourth, suggestion scheme. Continuous improvement. Systematic improvement. Excellence team. Cross-functional process management. Attain, maintain, improve standards. Customer focus. Partnership with supplier. Service relationship with internal customers. Customer-driven standards. Never compromise quality. According to you, what should be the benefit of total quality management? Let's see. Benefit of total quality management. Higher productivity, enhanced market image, elimination of defect and waste, reduce cost and better cost management, higher profitability, improve customer focus and satisfaction, improve employee morale, improve an innovation process. Implementation of total quality management. Objective and policy must reflect commitment to quality. Communication of total quality management philosophy to all concerned. Proper design of total quality management program. Proper education and encouragement of all people in organization. System having a customer feedback and act on it. The 7 basic tools of total quality management. First, check sheet. This is a pre-made form for gathering one type of data over time. So it's only useful for frequently requiring data. Second, Pareto chart. The chart poses that 80% of problems are linked to 20% of cause. It helps you identify which problems fall into which categories. Third, cause and effect diagram or Ishikawa diagram. This diagram allows you to visualize all possible causes of a problem or effect and then categorize them. Fourth, control chart. This chart is graphical description of how process and result change over time. Fifth, histogram bar chart. This shows the frequency of problems cause as well as show how and where result cluster. 6. Sacred diagram. This diagram plots data on the x and y axis to determine how result change as the variable change. 7. Flowchart or satisfaction diagram. This represents how different factors join in a process. Total quality management in multinational companies. Total quality management is an essential tool for MNCs to maintain its profit parameter. Total quality management is kept in the head management, keeps an eye to upload technology and acts immediately to grab benefit from it. The company is taking care of both employee and customers. Total quality management is essential to keep a record of the employees chart, whether it is growing or losing. A total quality management example. Today, at Ford Company, their most popular slogan is Ford has a better idea. Back in the 1980s, when Ford Motor Company total quality management practices were west, the slogan of quality is job one made more sense. This article looks at the total quality management and uses Ford for our total quality management example. Thank you.